Hi guys, it's me Maurice. Kakagising ko lang and tapos na din akong kumain. So, inom tayo nito para fresh. And of course, my glutathione, which is Lumi. Here, 3 collagen and 1 Lumi for night. This is like, there is a sun protection for this actually. When you drink this Lumi. So, 24-hour glutathione capsule dietary supplement. There is with glutathione and sunblock protection, and also bioactive collagen. So aside from gluta, may collagen din siya and may glutathione plus collagen. Tapos tatlo yung iniinom ko. So ang dami ng collagen. And after this, may ligo na din. Excuse me. Yun lang.